Her not my girlfriend.
She's not your girlfriend? Why did she say that to you?
I'll be right back, okay?
Why? Where are you going?
I just want to wait for the ice cream.
The ice cream man's on the other street. Come here. Is he Dad or is he coming? Come here, Lola. Come here. Hurry up. Come here.
I'm hurrying up.
Tell me why Katrina asks you that question.
Because you're not my girlfriend.
Why? Is she just your friend? Look at me.
You're just my girlfriend.
Look at me. Do you guys fight?
No.
Is she nice to you?
Yeah, but sometimes she's my girlfriend.
Is the express card any good?
No. Lola, is she nice to you?
Yeah, but I don't care.
But you don't care?
Yeah.
Why?
Don't tell anybody.
Who am I going to tell? I won't tell anybody. But what are we not telling everybody?
If I can get to Rich's guy, I got the state troopers.
Marie, come here.
Well, they're not down by the road.
She's right here. Wow.
No.
Your bathing suit's too small.
No, there isn't.
Yes, it is.
I don't care.
You don't care.
Don't tell anybody.
Wait,